In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change background color in CapCut PC. If you have a video on your timeline and you want to replace that empty black space behind it with a clean, solid color, this is a very simple way to do it. You can use this for a polished white background, a bold branded color, or just a more eye-catching layout that fits your project better. To begin, we need to make that background area visible on the canvas. Go down to your timeline and click once on your main video clip, so it's selected. After that, move to the top right side of CapCut, where the Properties panel appears. Open the Video tab, then look for the Basics section. In there, find the Scale slider. Now drag the Scale slider slightly to the left so the value drops below 100%. As you do that, your video will shrink a little inside the preview window. The reason this matters is because it creates visible space around the edges of your clip. That empty margin is where your new background color will appear, so don't skip this part. You only need to reduce it enough to reveal the outer area clearly. Once that's done, stay in that same top right basic menu and scroll all the way down to the bottom. Near the lower part of the panel, you'll find a setting labeled Canvas. Click the small box or toggle beside Canvas to turn on the Canvas customization options. This opens the controls that let you adjust what appears behind your video. Next, go into the Canvas options and click the tab labeled Color. As soon as you do, a grid of color swatches should appear. These are preset solid color choices that you can apply instantly. Just click on any swatch you want, and the black space behind your video will immediately change to that color. You can choose something neutral like white for a clean and modern look, or go with something brighter if you want the background to stand out more. If you're matching a specific visual style, this is a quick way to make your video feel more intentional and professionally framed. And that's it. You selected your clip, adjusted the scale to expose the canvas, opened the canvas controls, switched to the color tab, and picked your new background. In just a few clicks, you've completely changed the look of the space behind your video in CapCut PC.